The biggest challenge that I had, it was like to find the good way to grow my business. So when we closed like for COVID, so we had a second chance to reopen, like with a new plan, with a new game plan, and I wanted to do it right. So I didn't want to open a game again, like, and do the same mistake as before. So I wanted like to do it well. So that's why like I said like, hey, we need to open like in 2-3 months. Why we don't start like right now to learn like new thing and start like a new game plan and doing well. So, and it worked. It's been like a huge game changer. First of all, like we are like earning more money with less clients. Second, like my coach, like I earning much more money. So they're like happier. And if they are happier, I am as well. So the business is growing. In foundation, when you start, they ask you like what the number, like the average income that the people like earn in Panama. And I can tell you that is so low here, because like every time I was listening, like, hey, New York is like, I don't know, 100,000, like crazy thing. And me, I was like in Panama, it was like 20,000. And I was like, it's impossible for me. And we did it. We did it because like you just have to be focused on the clients that they're like ready to pay like this amount. But they are, even like if you live like in a small town, they are. You just have to push on it and look for it.